These are the elevators at the Nortec Office Building in Carnegie, Pennsylvania. These are 1980s Westinghouse, and what's weird is when you press the call button, they both open up. And there's PAelevators right there. That one has a taller ceiling, but this one has a better motor, so I'm going to do this one up to 5. Interior go up. Five square note. This one doesn't run as good as the other one's rather vibrating noisy. Back down to 1. I think he already rang his dinner bell. 80 phone, help link. Basic fake wood grain 80s cap, but I got a newer ceiling with mini halogen lights. I don't know what he's doing with the other one. There's a certificate. I guess we're kind of doing a drag race. Got Westinghouse logo. Here, back at 1. He's on 4. There it goes, and that's gonna be it.